हेलो एंड वेलकम टू रेडियो सिटी इंडिया। मेरा नाम है हैंसन और चल रहा है क्रिकेट का ब्लॉकबस्टर, जहाँ पे हम इंडियन T20 लीग के जो सारी टीम्स है ना, उसका बोले तो अपन क्या करते हैं, प्रीव्यू या एनालिसिस करते हैं। ये मेरे अंदर बनता है, अभी रॉन्ग टाइम पे आ गया। सो वी हैव विद अस मिस्टर प्रेडिकर आशुतोष इन द स्टूडियो। हेलो वेलकम।
Hey Hansen, hello viewers.
सो नाउ वी विल बी डूइंग द लास्ट टीम, इसीलिए बंटा आ गया था कि खुश है लास्ट टीम। सो लास्ट टीम है बैंगलोर। सो बैंगलोर टीम के बारे में क्या कहेंगे आप?
Again, Bangalore is a team which is always in the bottom four, in spite of having the world's best player and the world's second best player, you could say, in T20s. So, lot of fan following though. Otherwise, most teams which don't do well, nobody wants to associate with them. But Bangalore is a team which hasn't done well, but yet seems to have a great fan following.
They seems to be royally challenged themselves. So whatever it is.
But this year they have done a lot of
Yeah.
changes.
Yeah.
First and foremost, they have changed the CEO. Amrit Thomas was the CEO. He's been sent to Europe by United Spirits, which is now the de facto owner. Then they have changed the coach. Vittori is no longer the coach. They have changed the other. I think Brad Hodge was not Brad Hodge. Andrew McDonald was their batting consultant. So he is no longer there. So complete new setup.
Gary Kirsten is back.
So complete new setup. So I believe. So they are trying to make the changes, and let's see how do they do.
So Gary Kirsten comes in. There will be a new spirit. Indian World Cup जीतने वाले squad
They have spirits. United Spirits has been there for the last 3 or 4 years, I believe.
So lot of players released. पहले हम इससे पहले कि हम टीम के बारे में बात करें कि तो ये प्लेयर्स जो इन्होंने रिलीज किए, क्विंटन डिकॉक जो मुंबई में ट्रांसफर कर दिया था, उन्होंने ट्रेड कर लिया था. There is Brendan McCullum who has gone. Sarfaraz Khan, who they have retained last time, but this time he is out.
True, he was retained. He was the only uncapped player retained.
Yeah.
When 3 players were to be retained across 8 franchises.
Yeah. So even Mandeep Singh, because he was there but was not getting chances, so they took Stoinis from Punjab. So what do you say, Quinton de Kock?
I like Quinton de Kock a lot. I mean, last year wasn't the great season for him, but before that, when he played for Delhi, he had a fantastic season. He played spin very well. So, and I always believe, I keep mentioning that playing spin, quality spin in Indian conditions is the key to IPL success for a foreigner. So he has the ability in him to play. Maybe they should have been patient with him. Especially they were letting go of McCullum. So might have as well kept Quinton de Kock.
So क्विंटन डिकॉक के लिए एक अच्छा है कि वहाँ पे भी ओपनिंग विकेट कीपर के साथ ही करते थे. मुंबई में भी विकेट कीपर ही शायद करेंगे ओपनिंग साथ में.
To Mumbai,
they will go.
Rohit Sharma
should be there.
No, Rohit Sharma made an announcement now that
it?
he is going to open all games.
Okay, so yes, Jay Hitman. So अभी बात करेंगे प्लेइंग 11 के बारे में.
Okay, Bangalore, I believe the playing 11 will be Virat Kohli will open with Parthiv Patel. Number 3 will be the all-rounder Moeen Ali or Marcus Stoinis. I prefer Moeen Ali with respect to Indian conditions because he plays spin well. I rate Stoinis very highly, but not so much in subcontinent conditions. I've mentioned that again and again. So my preference is Moeen Ali, but Virat seems to have had a liking for Marcus Stoinis, so won't be surprised if Stoinis plays. Number 4 will be ABD. Number 5 will be Hetmeyer. Number 6 will be their $1 million buy, Shivam Dube. Number 7 will be Washington Sundar or Nathan Coulter. I believe Nathan Coulter will slot in above Washington Sundar. So Coulter at 7, Washington Sundar at 8. Then will be Yuzvendra Chahal for sure. And now that leaves 2 positions open. For that 2 positions we have, Umesh Yadav will surely play. That leaves 1 position open. So Navdeep Saini, Kulwant Khejrolia
and
Mohammad Siraj are competing for that. Mohammad Siraj may be higher in the pecking order just because of him being an Indian T20 player, but somehow I believe Navdeep Saini or Kulwant is the better of the 3.
तो अभी इसमें क्या होगा कि फर्स्ट हाफ आईपीएल के बाद काफी प्लेयर्स जो रिटर्न जा रहे हैं.
In fact, Coulter is not there for the initial part as well.
Yeah.
Because
they
are playing Pakistan in UAE, so Tim Saudi might take that position initially as long as Coulter is missing. Another way they could do it is get the all-rounder, be it Moeen Ali or Stoinis, he moves down the order and everybody moves one position up. So ABD at 3, Hetmyer at 4, and then the all-rounder comes in at 5.
Yeah. So अभी क्या होगा कि players will leave for their country World Cup duties. So तब क्या करेंगे? तो because Moeen Ali will surely leave. Stoinis will be leaving for sure.
Coulter-Nile
will be
so
going.
they'll be genuinely affected.
So they have Colin de Granholm,
Okay.
New Zealand. He'll be for the entire thing.
Absolutely.
Shimron Hetmyer surely will be there for the entire thing.
True.
There is Tim Southee.
ABD Villiers is there for the
ABD
entire
Villiers because he's
So
retired,
they have decent enough backups. So I think they'll stick to those backup because that leaves them with very few options once they go on for international duty.
So एक और है Klaasen last year.
I somehow don't rate him too highly. Even I was surprised when he was initially picked as well by Rajasthan last year.
Yeah. So Quinton de Kock को छोड़ दिया और Klaasen को ले लिया.
Quinton de Kock is a class.
Yeah.
There's no comparison.
It's like South African wicket keeper चाहिए था, South African wicket keeper ले लिया.
ABD से wicket keeping कराओ और South African wicket keeper मिल जाएगा.
Okay, so now we come to the main thing. Prediction. Where do you see them this team?
I like the team, but somehow I think that they'll make it to the top 4. So maybe 5th to 6th position for them.
5th to 6th again. So hopefully we have Virat Kohli, अब ABD Villiers कमाल कर दे. इस बार भी फाइनल तक तो पहुंचे जाए. जो भी हो देखते हैं. So now we talk about the 5 impact players. कौन लगता है?
Obviously. There can't be 5 players without mentioning Virat Kohli, ABD. So these two are no-brainers. I'll add 3 to the list. Nathan Coulter-Nile, I rate him very highly. I like Moeen Ali a lot. So Moeen Ali. And I'll go with the tried and tested Yuzvendra Chahal.
So ये थे हमारे top 5 impact players for Bangalore. और जैसे कि आशुतोष ने कहा, he sees them at 5 or 6 this time too. So what are your thoughts, suggestions, Bangalore के fans? Please नीचे comment section में लिखिए और आपका favorite काम आप कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. अभी तो ऐसे निकलते जैसे natural हो गया. So please subscribe to Radio City India. So we have done a review of all the teams. Please go and check it out. And please comment on all the videos. And we'll be back soon. We'll be doing a weekly review every Monday. That is starting from next Monday. So we'll be back then and we will review the weekly matches. So till then, stay tuned to Radio City India. This is me, Hansen, and Ashto signing off. Bye-bye.
Yo.